The CarPlay W712D Motorcycle Carplay Screen offers a high-definition 7-inch display, providing clear and vivid visuals for better navigation and media experience. Equipped with front and rear HD cameras, the device ensures enhanced safety by capturing a wide-angle view of the road, allowing for simultaneous display of both views. Its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto features enable seamless integration with smartphones, allowing riders to access essential phone functions without distractions. The product's Bluetooth audio connectivity enhances convenience by allowing hands-free calls and music streaming, perfect for keeping your phone safely tucked away while riding. With an IP67 waterproof rating and anti-theft design, this screen can withstand harsh weather conditions and provides peace of mind against theft. The hassle-free installation process and dual power options make it a versatile and user-friendly choice for any motorcycle enthusiast.